Hello, and welcome to a new episode of Pro Codes. Today we are going to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Before we start, you should be familiar with the codes used in solving algorithm. Place a cube with any random side towards you. There are 6 letters used in the algorithm: F for front of cube facing towards you, R for right of cube, U for top side of cube, L for left of cube, D for bottom side of cube, and B for the back of the cube. Each letter denotes to rotate the side once in clockwise direction, and the inverse of these letters denotes the side to be rotated in anti-clockwise direction. For example, the letter F in the algorithm represent the side of cube facing towards you, should be rotated in clockwise direction, and F dash or F inverse in anti-clockwise direction. Let's practice a few steps. Consider this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. R rotates the right side of cube in clockwise direction and A dash in anti-clockwise direction. U rotates stop in clockwise direction and U dash in anti-clockwise direction. F in clockwise and F dash in anti-clockwise direction. Similarly in all the other sides. For easy understanding, consider a clock facing outwards on the side which is to be rotated. Let's begin. We have 7 set of easy steps. Step 1. White cross. While making a white cross, make sure that the side matches with the color at the center. Making white cross does not require any codes or algorithm. You can just try it yourself. Firstly, find the white middle color, then you should choose the edge. Here blue color is taken. Now rotate the side, so that the blue color aligns with the central blue, and rotate again to align with the white. Hence the first edge of the white cross is formed. Similarly do the rest of the cross. Sometimes it may not be as easy as shown here. I will show you a few more scenarios in forming a white cross. This is an inverted edge. See how I corrected it by rotating it to the side, then moved to the bottom, and then aligned with the blue center, so that the edge is corrected. Here the other 2 sides should not be disturbed, so moved it to side, then bottom and align with the red center. Now before moving it to the top, rotate back the previously corrected side. Now the red centered edge can be moved to align with the white. That's all. Congratulations, step 1 successfully completed. Step 2. Solving the 4 white corners. For solving the white corners, you must first hold the cube with the white cross facing downwards. Select a white color corner piece. Here we have a green-red piece. Now find the green-red center, and rotate it to the corner matching the color, as shown here. Hold this corner to the right of you. And it's time to start the first algorithm. Here it is, A, U, A dash, U dash. Do it with me, A, U, A dash, U dash. Now check the corner piece whether it is aligned with the surrounding colors. If it's not right, try repeating the same algorithm until you get the corner corrected. Similarly, correct all the other corners. If you do not get a corner piece with the required color you are looking for at the top, it might be wrongly positioned at any of the 4 white corners. In this case, hold the cube with that incorrect corner to your right, and do this algorithm once. After solving all the corners, you will get an inverted T on all the 4 sides. And that's it. Step 2 is completed. Step 3. For edge in middle section. Hold the cube facing the white color side downwards. Now these middle edges are going to be corrected. Select an edge, and rotate the top layer of cube so that the selected color matches with the centerpiece. Here the top color of red piece is green, so it should be moved to the right as shown. For moving it to the right, we have an algorithm: U, A dash, U dash, F dash, U dash, F. Now do it with me: U, A, U, A dash, U dash, F dash, U dash, F. The edge is corrected. Now select the next color, align it with the middle color. Here the top color of green is orange, so it should be moved to the left. For moving it to left, the following code is used: U dash, L dash, U dash, L, U, F, U, F dash. Similarly do it on all the other sides. If you don't find the required color at the top, the edge may be wrongly positioned at the middle, so hold that edge to your right and do the right side code once, or hold it to left and do the left code once. Step 3 is completed. Step 4, yellow cross. After completing step 3, you may get a dot, line, angle, or a cross. If you get a cross, you can skip step 4. If you get a dot or line, do the following code. For line, you should hold it parallel to you as shown. For angle, do the following code by holding the cube as shown. Step 4 completed. Step 5, yellow edges. First correct one edge. For that align an edge color with the center by rotating the top. Now keep the corrected side to your right and do the following code. Repeat the code until you get all the edges corrected. Step 5 completed. Step 6 yellow corners. The positions of these corners are going to be corrected now in step 6. For that, check for any corrected corner, which has the same color as the center. Here the green and red corner piece has the same color as their centers, so it is corrected. Hold the corrected side to your right and do the following code. Repeat until all the corners are corrected. Step 6 completed. Step 7, final step. This is an important step. One wrong step makes you to do all over again, so be careful. If you have any corrected corner, hold it to the left and do the following code. Repeat the code until you get the corner piece corrected. Here this corner piece is corrected. Now rotate the top clockwise to move the corrected corner to left side as shown. Repeat the code to correct the next corner. Similarly, do the rest of the corner to solve the cube. Congratulations, the 3x3 Rubik's Cube is solved. Thank you for watching.